Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is how to add YouTube channel keywords on your YouTube channel. So first, open up your browser into your PC or laptop. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right. Then tap on your channel. In here, you can see the manage videos. Tap on it or click, and after that, you'll be prompted to go to YouTube Studio. Then at the bottom left, you'll be able to see there the settings. Tap on the channel section, and below the country, you'll be able to see the keywords there. So just input what type of content or relative name that you have into your channel, and then just press enter if you're done doing each keywords, so that when people search up this type of keywords, there's a high chance that your channel or your videos would come up to it. And if you're done, just tap on the save button, restart the browser, or refresh the page. After that, these are some examples for the keywords in YouTube. For example, when we chose on yoga and then filter it out onto channels, these are the people with yogas on their name or yogas in particular to their content. That's about it.